Mic test, mic test. Oy. I got my first wireless microphone. And look, it's color pink. It's matchy-matchy. I bought it from Boya. Look, it's so color pink. I love it. So, itetest natin siya, okay guys? Don't worry. Okay, sample. Mic test, mic test. Baliw, ang sarap mo. Ang arte mo, nakakainis. So, ayan na nga. Ang ganda, diba? So, color pink siya. So, yan na yung gagamitin ko for my content, guys.